As you can see, it is currently 41 degrees Fahrenheit and raining. So let's do a cold start of the go-kart. It is raining. Going towards the go-kart. There it is. Ooh, cold. This off, so I can get through the switches. On. This off. Gas line on. Open it up. Choke. And let's see if it fires. Ow. Ah, come on. There we go. Got a little bit of smoke going. Choke off. Come on. Choke all the way. It wants to start. I guess it doesn't do too good in the rain. Choke off. Damn it. It's being a pain. Whew. Choke back on. It wants to start. The back is getting tired. That's steam from the water. Water got inside the exhaust, I guess. There you go, it started. About like 20 pulls later. That's tired on my back. back over it. And let that cool down a bit before I put the bag on it, because I know the exhaust is going to melt the bag. So yeah. Chuck back on so bugs won't get in, since it doesn't have an air filter. I found it online, but I just gotta buy it. The whole air filter housing and air filter itself costs $21.